We're gonna debadge the Hellcat. This is the Luxe DeBadge Kit. Comes with everything you need to debadge your vehicle. All right, first thing we'll do is we'll unwrap our dowel, and we're gonna get right behind the letters, and we're just gonna wiggle back and forth. Stay right behind your letters. You're right behind, just wiggle back and forth slowly. All right, that's what our dowels are for. Now we take our slip, a few sprays on this glue. If you make an up and down motion, it's quite easier to move that razor blade. Take your towel, I kind of like to wipe and clean up my mess, and you'll use the clay bar to get the remaining glues. And if it's anything left that you feel like the clay bar didn't use, you can go back with your razor blade, check one more time, clay bar, and that's how you debadge.